Hi, I'm Josh. I'm a measurement technologist in ProMonitor, and for the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why ProMonitor Schematics is the leading industry standard in measurement schematics and how we can save you time and money. Imagine a world where you no longer needed to go out to the field to give you a starting point for creating a schematic or trying to figure out how assets connect as a system. A world where you don't need to struggle anymore on sending revisions back and forth over emails between your field staff and the drafters. Imagine not having to struggle on where the latest version of the schematic is. Imagine a world where you're able to visualize all your assets on a Google map, overlaid on satellite imagery, showing you how your assets are connected from wellhead to sales, and then being able to dive further down into a measurement schematic. All of this through the cloud using a desktop, laptop, or mobile device. Imagine a world where by just using data, you can get 85% of the way there without you as a client needing to spend any effort or time. Imagine not having to start from scratch every time you need to update a drawing. Imagine looking at a PDF drawing and all the shapes in that drawing are saved as data sets, allowing you to compare this data to other internal and available public data sets, focusing only on the anomalies, allowing for quick and easy management of change process. ProMonitor Schematics is quick and cost-effective to implement, and I'm going to show you how we do it. ProMonitor is a web-based, fully hosted platform that you can access in any web browser. The same access portal is used for all different ProMonitor subscribers, including schematics, integrity, scheduler, and vessel management. So how do we get to that 85% first draft of a schematic? Well, we load all the private and public data for wells, pipelines, and facilities that you either operate or license into the ProMonitor GIS platform, allowing you to visualize all your assets on a Google map. ProMonitor receives constant public data updates and refreshes the dataset every 2 weeks. This allows for assets acquired or divested, attribute changes on wells and facilities, such as status changes, to be automatically captured and updated. This becomes really important for the management of change process, which I will get into later in the video. Using data analytics and internal measurement knowledge, we connect all your assets from wellhead to sales, giving us the physical flow for the schematic. No need to walk the line. If you're a subscriber to ProMonitor Integrity, you're able to leverage from this connectivity or vice versa. We then add all the necessary measurement points, storage tanks and vessels, fuel, flare, vent takeoff points, facility delineation, production and processing equipment, piping, transportation, and any other necessary information is outlined by the regulators to the schematic. If you're a subscriber to ProTrend, the industry standard in fluid composition management, we will add all the validated sample points to the schematic, along with any ProChart or NetFlow meters you might have as well. Each shape you see on the schematic has a myriad of data behind it, and it is saved as data sets. The tool will then run quality checks on the data accuracy, leaving notes on the drawings to be verified. All the first draft schematics will then be housed in ProMonitor, where your team will validate the remaining 15%. So what does that remaining 15% look like for you as the client and the validation of the schematic? Our central repository, version control, and workflow process ensure that all stakeholders inside your organization are only dealing with the approved drawings and the latest version. ProMonitor subscriptions come with unlimited users, and each user can be configured to allow for different level access. Users can access drawings at any given time through the cloud using a desktop, laptop, or mobile device. Every drawing goes through a gate review process and has an audit trail for every version of the drawing from start to finish. ProMonitor provides multiple options for reviewing drawings, making the redline process easy and comfortable for your team. Over the years, we've been really fortunate to work with some of the best measurement people in the industry who have helped us enhance our processes and our product. All our templates, stencils, and processes were designed with the regulations in mind. By subscribing to ProMonitor Schematics, not only will you meet regulatory requirements, but you can run asset inventory reports and cross-reference with your production accounting and field data capture systems. ProMonitor has extensive reporting that users can run at any time, giving your team the peace of mind in the event of an audit. So now that the schematics are completed, what does that management of change process look like? As most of us know, keeping measurement schematics up to date can seem like a never-ending task. Well, with ProMonitor Schematics, we take care of it for you. Using ProMonitor Schematics Drawing Schedule tool, we cross-reference all your data to other internal and available public data sets and let you know where mismatches or possible updates are needed. ProMonitor sends out monthly MOC reports to be verified by your team, making the management of change process made easy and drawings kept up to date. The pricing model for ProMonitor Schematics is simple. We are not a drafting shop, and we don't believe in that pricing model either. Implementation fees are a flat fee based on the complexity of your facilities, along with a monthly subscription based on the number of facilities in the schematics, so no hourly billing. Thank you for spending the last few minutes with me. I hope I've shown you the value that ProMonitor Schematics can offer you and your business.